Click on the Create option and select Zaps to start a new automation. Click Trigger to set up a trigger for your automation. Search for and select Smartsheet as the trigger app. Select a trigger event such as New Row or Updated Row. Connect your Smartsheet account to Zapier by clicking Allow. You can click Change if you need to change your Smartsheet account connected to Zapier. Set up a trigger by specifying the conditions that will trigger the Zap. Test the trigger and ensure Zapier can retrieve data from Smartsheet. To proceed, click Continue with selected record. Set up Notion as the action app. Select an action event such as Create Database Item or Update Database Item. Sign into your Notion account and grant Zapier access. Select the action field from Smartsheet to Notion. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate Notion with Smartsheet, ensuring seamless data transfer and workflow management.